This is the A1 Tapes range of packaging tape dispenser guns. Designed for use with standard 48mm packaging tape, these dispensers help make carton sealing faster, cleaner, and more consistent. Instead of pulling tape by hand and cutting it manually, a tape dispenser allows the operator to apply tape smoothly across the carton in one controlled movement. This helps improve packing efficiency, reduce tape waste, and create a neater seal on every box. The range includes standard, heavy-duty, and premium dispenser options, giving businesses the flexibility to choose the right model for their packing volume and daily use. They are suitable for warehouses, e-commerce dispatch areas, retail back-of-house, manufacturing facilities, and general packing stations. Each dispenser is designed to hold the tape roll securely while allowing smooth application across cardboard cartons and shipping boxes. For businesses sealing cartons every day, a tape dispenser is a simple tool that can make the packing process faster and easier for staff. Available individually or in multi-pack options for larger teams, A1 Tape's packaging tape dispensers are a practical addition to any commercial packing station.